Hi friends, today we're going to do our number corner and today is the 16th, the one that has the 1 and the 6. So I'm going to flip over our card and let's see what we get. Ooh, look at that! We have how many green apples and how many red apples? Well, yesterday we knew that we had 8 apples all together. So looking at our picture here, how many green and how many red? You're right, we have 1 red apple and we have 7 green apples. I knew that there was 7 because also I saw 3 and 3, and I know 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 makes 6, and 1 more is 7. How did you know that there was 7? Alright, so repeat after me. We're going to say today is Friday, October 16th, 2020. Awesome. Great. We are going to go on to our next days in school. And in our days in school, we're going to color one more day. All right, let's count together. Remember, when we count this, we know that there's already 10 squares. So we can count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. We are at 38. So I'm going to clean my board here and I'm going to write 38. So a 3 and an 8. What's an equation that can make 38? You're right. 30 plus 8 equals 38. I can do 30 plus 8 equals 38, and the flip-flop would be 8 plus 30 equals 38. Awesome, friends. Okay, well, why don't you get started on your math assignments, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye.